Another really cool option we got coming out for our hoist line is our multifunction water sports rack. Internally we call it the Christmas tree because it looks like an upside down Christmas tree, but what it does really is it gives you 3 levels of storage. So paddle boards, everybody loves paddle boards, but boy are they fragile. This way we put a nice padded rack together. You can put the paddle boards on. We've got space for racks. Right now we've got a combination of some wake surf boards, we've got some wake boards, we've got some paddle boards. Everything comes with bungees to lock them in, so if you're a little off center, doesn't matter. Nothing falls out. You can adjust it on the post to any width you want. So if you've got smaller wake surf boards you want to put on there, you can make it smaller. If you've got longer paddle boards, you can make it longer. It's really up to you. Everything locks in, everything padded, everything's safe. Push the button, away it goes.